Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Abundant Life. In today's video, we will be talking about the latest trends of 2025 and styling tips for different occasions. Wearing necklaces. Necklaces you can wear with two-piece necklaces or three-piece necklaces with a high choker with long chains and layer it up even delicate for office wear. Second, mixing metals. Now it's no longer a rule that you have to wear gold with gold or silver with silver. You can mix different metals to have a fresh look. For example, gold, silver, rose gold will enhance your jewelry collection and give you a fresh look. Another big trend in 2025 is stacking rings and stacking bracelets. Wearing rings which are bold with dainty rings and stacking bracelets, delicate bracelets, especially with your watch with different metals is going to be a big trend. Styling with earrings. Earrings you can wear according to your face cut. If you have a round face, you can wear long earrings. For a square shaped face, you can wear studs. Also, you can experiment with danglers, ear cuffs, and these also will be very trendy. Now we'll be discussing the most important trends of 2025-2026. Chunky chains and statement pieces. Bold chunky chains, necklaces and bracelet will be a big trend in 2025. These pieces make a powerful statement and often seen in both high fashion and streetwear. The revival of link chains and oversized ring, particularly in gold polish, will be trending this year. The second, ethical and sustainable. Now, these big brands are using recycled material, lab grown diamonds. These are going to be in popular demand in 2025. More consumers are seeking out brands that prioritize environmental impact and fair trade practices. Vintage and second hand jewelry will be very popular than ever. Third is personalized jewelry. Jewelry with engraved initials and birth sign jewelry is going to be in great demand. People are leaning towards meaningful jewelry that tells a personal story. Example, engraved pendants, zodiac signs, and healing crystal jewelry. Personalized pieces like name, necklaces, birthstones will also trend in 2025. Another trend of 2025 is going to be with colored stones and vibrant jewelry. People are using colored stones in their jewelry like emerald, rubies, sapphires, and even unconventional stones like tourmalines and opals. These colorful pieces are being used not just in high end jewelry but in everyday pieces as well as to add a pop of color. Minimalistic jewelry with a twist. Minimalistic jewelry is going to be very popular in 2025. Trends like geometrical shape, asymmetrical designs, and subtle embellishments like tiny American diamonds and pearl added to a simple piece like stud earrings or delicate bracelets are going to be high in demand. Tech inspired jewelry, jewelry like rings, smart watches, jewelry with technology which can track your fitness record, your payment methods are going to be in great demand. How technology is merging with fashion in 2025, we'll see more innovation in this area. To summarize the key styling tips, layering, mixing metal, stacking rings, bracelet, and choosing the right piece for different occasion. The recap of the trends of 2025 as chunky chains, sustainable jewelry, personalized pieces, colorful gemstone, and minimalistic design, tech inspired jewelry. Also, the color, which is the color of the year 2025 being mocha mousse. It's a light shade of brown and it's going to be very popular in jewelry, incorporated in jewelry and in the fashion wear. Thank you for watching my video up to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe for more jewelry tips and content. Thank you.